The Philadelphia experiment is one of the most enduring and controversial conspiracy theories of the 20th century. It alleges that during World War II, the U.S. Navy conducted a secret experiment that rendered the USS Eldridge, a destroyer escort, invisible to enemy radar and, in some accounts, teleported it across vast distances. This narrative has captivated the imaginations of conspiracy theorists, science fiction enthusiasts, and skeptics alike. But what is the truth behind this enigmatic tale? The alleged experiment, cloaking and teleportation. According to the legend, on October 28, 1943, at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard, the U.S. Navy conducted a top-secret experiment aimed at developing technology to make naval vessels invisible to enemy radar. The USS Eldridge was the test subject for this ambitious project. The experiment purportedly involved generating powerful electromagnetic fields around the ship. Witnesses claimed that a greenish-blue glow surrounded the vessel as the generators activated, and then, astonishingly, the ship vanished from sight. The most sensational accounts suggest that the USS Eldridge was not only rendered invisible but also teleported over 200 miles away to Norfolk, Virginia, in a matter of moments. Some versions of the story even claim that the ship traveled through time, either to the past or future, before returning to its original location in Philadelphia. Origins of the conspiracy: Carl M. Allen and the Allende Letters. The Philadelphia experiment story gained traction in the 1950s, primarily due to the claims of a man named Carl Meredith Allen, who also went by the alias Carlos Miguel Allende. In 1956, Allen began sending a series of letters to Morris K. Jessup, an astronomer and author of the book The Case for the UFO. In his letters, Allen detailed the alleged experiment, claiming to have witnessed the event firsthand from the deck of a nearby merchant ship, the SS Andrew Furuseth. Allen's letters described horrific side effects experienced by the crew of the USS Eldridge, including severe physical and psychological trauma. Some sailors were said to have been fused into the ship's hull, while others suffered from madness or mysterious disappearances. Despite the sensational nature of these claims, Allen provided no concrete evidence to support his assertions. The Vero edition, amplifying the legend. In 1957, the Office of Naval Research, ONR, received a copy of Jessup's book with annotations referring to the Philadelphia experiment. These notes, written in 3 different handwriting styles, discussed advanced physics concepts and extraterrestrial life. The ONR was intrigued enough to contact Jessup, who recognized the handwriting as resembling that of Carl Allen. The ONR subsequently commissioned the Texas-based Vero Manufacturing Company to produce a limited number of copies of the annotated book, which became known as the Vero edition. This edition included Allen's letters and annotations, further fueling public interest and speculation about the alleged experiment. Debunking the myth, naval records and expert analysis. Despite the enduring popularity of the Philadelphia experiment narrative, extensive investigations have debunked the claims. The U.S. Navy has repeatedly stated that no such experiment was ever conducted and that the details of the story contradict well-established facts about the USS Eldridge. Naval records indicate that the USS Eldridge was not in Philadelphia on the alleged date of the experiment but was instead on a shakedown cruise in the Bahamas. Additionally, researchers have suggested that the legend may have originated from misunderstandings or misinterpretations of routine naval operations. One plausible explanation involves the process of degaussing, a technique used to reduce a ship's magnetic signature to protect against magnetic mines. While degaussing can make a vessel less detectable to magnetic sensors, it does not render it invisible to radar or the naked eye. Furthermore, Carl Allen's credibility has been called into question. Investigations into his background revealed a history of mental health issues, and no corroborating witnesses have ever come forward to substantiate his claims. Cultural impact, from conspiracy to pop culture. Despite being thoroughly debunked, the Philadelphia experiment has left an indelible mark on popular culture. The story has inspired numerous books, documentaries, and films, including the 1984 science fiction movie, The Philadelphia Experiment, which dramatized the alleged events. The tale continues to captivate audiences, serving as a cautionary narrative about the potential dangers of unchecked scientific experimentation and the thin line between fact and fiction. Please remember to like, share and subscribe for more. Stay informed.